everyone, welcome to a new upload. This is going to be a part 2 of my latest Dyson video that I uploaded last month. Today we are really going to put the Dyson to the test. I have unwashed, slept on, dirty and frizzy hair, and we are going to revive it using the Dyson. Now, if you're looking to purchase the Dyson, or if you're trying to find new tips and tricks on how to use it, this video is perfect for you. I'm glad you found it. Keep on watching. Alrighty, so now is the grand reveal of what my hair looks like as of right now. So let me take it out of the ponytail. Here we go. Here is my lion's mane of hair. So like I said, this is slept on, unwashed hair. It's not super dirty, but it could use a little reviving at the root, and it's super kinked because I slept with a low ponytail in. So now that my hair looks absolutely crazy right now, we are going to fix it using the Dyson. Okay, so first things first on my agenda to fix this craziness is I'm going to part my hair. Just if you have a lot of hair, it's so much easier to part things. Get some hair out of the way. Let's take this mane and brush it out. My hair is completely dry, just FYI. Got the knots out of the hair. As you can see, obviously it still has waviness to it and a lot of frizz. So I'm gonna take my Dyson and I'm going to use this round brush attachment. I did not use this in my last video. We are going to utilize this attachment today. So even though you can use the Dyson straight up on dry hair, I've done it many times, because my hair has so much texture right now, I'm going to take advantage of getting some wetness back in my hair to kind of like reset it in a way. So let's take this Mr. Bottle. Now I got some dampness in the hair. So now I'm gonna take a hair product. This is by IGK. I've had this for a while. I need to use it up and I think it would be great for what I'm about to try to do. You can use just a little amount of a product like this just to give some smoothness back to your hair before you put heat on it. So I'm gonna take some of this and just seriously lightly, not a ton, put that back in my hair. And this also is good for heat protection too. I wanna give a little bit more protection on my hair before I put any type of heat on it. A little over here. Now it is time. We're gonna take this attachment, we're gonna run it through our hair, doing the top and the bottom, and I will take you through that right now. Okay, so my main goal using this attachment first is to get rid of some of the frizziness and add a little bit more volume to my hair overall. That's how I like to use it, and I think it worked pretty well if you can compare this side, okay? So this side's still looking crazy with the lion mane. All it took was a little bit of water, running this through a couple times on the top and bottom, giving it a couple twists, and a little bit of that product spray I used. Now we're gonna do the other side. Now, I purposely left it. It's not supposed to look perfect yet. This is really supposed to like tame some of the frizz, smooth it out a little bit, give it a little bit more body, that type of thing. So it's gonna be a little bit similar to like my last video. We're starting with one attachment and then we are going to go into the barrels, which I'm gonna do that last. Okay, so let's go ahead and take the other part of my hair down, get this craziness down, brush it out. Okay, I'm gonna section this off again. Give myself this lovely hairdo, right? Same steps as before. Let's Mr. on down. Now a little bit of the smoothing spray. Really just focusing it on the middle parts and the ends, not up at the roots. And just if you're curious, I do have this on the highest heat setting and the highest fan setting. Okay, we are looking good so far. On to the next layer. Brush it on out. What if I just left my hair like this? I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I don't think this would be a good look, right? Goes right in the face sometimes, dang. Okay, got some dampness back in the hair. Take our smoothing spray, repeat all those steps we were doing before, just a little bit. Focus it on the ends. This spray also, by the way, smells super good. I keep forgetting I have this in my cabinet. And I'm just like, girl, you gotta start using this stuff. And it's good stuff too. I just forget I have it because I keep buying new things. Want to add some volume at the root, especially with these front pieces. This is where this attachment really comes in handy. Yes, I know it looks crazy, but just trust the process. Whew. Okay. Yes, it looks a little crazy, but can we like appreciate the volume right now? This is why I love the Dyson. Such a good tool, guys. I love it. Okay, so we still have some kinkage here from the hair tie. That is fine. We will fix all that. We will not leave this video with any kinks in the hair. I will tell you that. So I know this isn't the most perfect blowout. However, for the little amount of effort I just did, my hair honestly looks a million times better than what we started with. And all it took was one attachment. I used a little bit of product and I used some water. That's it. And this is slept on dirty hair. That was also quite frizzy. I love this. I think it brought so much life to my hair. But I did promise you guys we would still use the barrels. So we are going to get to that right now. You're gonna think I'm crazy, but we gotta do it. I'm going to add just a little bit, 2 pumps right over my hair. You're gonna think I'm crazy, but the barrels will work a little bit better with some moisture. I just want a little bit more like blowout look to it. If it looks like I'm doing this kind of messy, it's because I am, because honestly, you'll see this all come together. You don't need to be extremely precise by this point when using these barrels. Okay, I'm gonna pop this one off and we're gonna do the other side. Same exact thing. I'm gonna add a little bit more moisture. You can feel it, you guys. We're gonna revive this crazy hair. It's gonna look great. We are making our way. We are making our way. Let's do the top layer. Okay, what I'm gonna do before I do the barrels on the top, I'm gonna hit it with some dry shampoo at my roots. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm using this Detox Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar. Give me life, dry shampoo. All right, looking good, right? It is time. We are on our final steps. Let's hit this top layer with the barrel. I'm definitely a little bit more patient with the top half of my hair. I'm a little bit more careful, a little less messy, but depends on the day too. Okay, are you ready for the grand finale? Have we achieved the goal of reviving my crazy hair? I think the answer is yes. Let's comb it out and see the very final results. All right, how about that? This looks so good, and it started all with unwashed hair, slept on, kinked up, frizzy hair, and it looks transformed. It looks great, and we definitely achieved our goal of reviving my crazy hair. I really think we nailed it, you guys. 2 attachments later, with some water and a little bit of product, we are here. We are looking so much better than what we started with. I am very happy with this. The Dyson really was my hair's friend today, and I'm super happy about it. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, because I will be uploading weekly and I would love for you to see my next upload. Until then, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.